Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom located in Hopyard Farm in King George. Main floor features hardwood floors, a formal dining room, laundry area, kitchen with recessed lighting, upgraded granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a living room, a breakfast room with walkout to back level yard. Upper level features a primary bedroom with walk-in closet and primary bathroom with double vanity, stand-up shower, and soaking tub, 3 bedrooms and full bathroom number 2. Unfinished basement is ready for you to grow into, with 3-piece roughed-in plumbing for a future bath. Attached 2-car garage. Enjoy all the fun community activities. Hopyard Farm is a beautiful subdivision of newer homes on the Rappahannock River with its own boat landing and amenities. Bring your boat for boating and fishing. 20-minute drive to 2 VRE train stations to DC, 301 bridge to Maryland, Fredericksburg. Conveniently located with access to I-95, Route 3 and south to Righmond.